Yeah, what it do, YouTube son? It's your boy Wade Poppy Cunny, and I'm back with another video, son. Today, bro. Hey, man. I gotta be quiet, son. It is currently 2 o'clock in the morning, bro. You dig what I'm saying, bro? It is 2:35. You dig what I'm saying? Everybody sleep, bro. I just got back from the Meek Mill, you know what I'm saying? The Meek Miller feature concert, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was lit, you know what I'm saying? That joint was crazy. That joint was tough. I lost my voice, but I think I got it back. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I put in when I use in my hair, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be doing like a tutorial on like how. I'm gonna just like bring y'all through the steps and say, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all like what I be doing and stuff and what I be using, you know? Hey man, so let's get straight into this video, bro. I get straight to the point of my videos, you know what I'm saying? I don't do all that talking stuff, bro. So first, bro, first step, you wanna get in the shower, bro. And you wanna run your hair under some water, bro. Make sure you get your hair all soaking wet, you know what I'm saying? Then you want to put some of the Shea Moisture stuff in your hair, you dig what I'm saying? Make sure I get a screenshot of this bad boy, you dig what I'm saying? You want to squirt some of this stuff in your hand. Get on your fingertips, bro, and like rub it in, you know what I'm saying? Like that, all around, you know what I'm saying? All around like that, you know what I'm saying? Up, all that. Make sure you get the middle and stuff. Then you want to just rinse it all out, you know what I'm saying? Rinse that bad boy out. Then, step 2, bro, what you need is one of these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? One of these, bro. They're like a hair tie, you know what I'm saying? You can get these joints at Walmart or something, bro. Easy, you know what I'm saying? After your shower, bro, you just want to put this on your hair, you know what I'm saying? Have it hold up. So, like, for when you go to sleep, bro, you don't crunch your hair up or wake up with it all matted and stuff, bro. So, just wear this, you know what I'm saying? Let it dry. Then, you know what I'm saying? Step 3, bro. In the morning time, bro, you just want to take this hair tie off, bro. Let your hair get out, you know what I'm saying? And spray some of your hair, spray your hair with some, this is just water, bro, in like a bottle, you know what I'm saying? Just spray it all around until it gets like soaking wet, you know what I'm saying? Wet. Then you just wait a couple seconds, well, a couple minutes or something like that. Then this is what I do, bro. I add some of this, you know what I'm saying? This is some growth oil, you dig what I'm saying? I just add this into my hair, bro. It smells good, you know what I'm saying? So after that, you're done spraying that, I just put some of this stuff in my hand, rub it in my hand, and just like you're picking out your hair. Just with your hands, you know what I'm saying? That's basically everything I do, though, you know what I'm saying? For my hair, how to get my hair like this, you know what I'm saying? But hey, if y'all boys want to try it, bro, just try this. Let me know how it works for y'all, bro. Just let me know, bro. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. Let's get this video to 10 likes, bro. And I'm out this joint. Peace.